Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shimmery and Glittery. Hope you have subscribed to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful vase out of a newspaper. To begin with, we'll be taking a sheet of newspaper and with the help of a stick, we'll be making cubes out of it. Just roll it on, remove the stick and roll and roll. Apply glue and paste the edges. Once the tubes are ready, we'll start with the structure of the vase. Take a tube, apply some glue and roll on like this. You need to keep adding the rolls of the newspaper or the tubes, as you say. Apply glue to the whole of it and keep rolling till you get the base. Once you've got the base ready, now you need to push up a little from the edges to raise your structure. And the glue that you will be applying will be to the upper side, and keep pasting the roll towards the upper end and keep rolling. See, this is how it will be done, and this is what you will be getting. This is another example of best out of waste. We are using old newspapers to make such lovely flowers. Keep on rolling till you get the desired height of the object. To give shape to the vase, you need to close the mouth a bit. So we are pasting the tube towards the inner side of the vase. This is what you will get. Now pull it out a little. In order to get the shape, measure the dimension of opening we have at the top. Now form a ring. This will be using as the base to make the neck of the vase. We'll be going with extra rounds of tubes at the top to give it a finish of a brim. Now apply glue at the base and paste it. You'll need to hold on for a while. Now in a bowl, take some white glue and add talcum powder and make a stiff paste. Now apply this paste to the outer side of the vase to give it a smooth finish. Once it's done, keep it to dry for 2 to 3 hours. After that, I've colored the vase with acrylic paint. While painting the vase, remember to apply a few strokes at the inner side, at the top, to give it a good finish. After it's dried, give it a coating of varnish to give it a smooth shining finish. You need to leave it overnight to dry. This is how it will turn out to be. Now I'll be decorating it with this embellishment with the help of a glue gun. You can try out different options for decorating this newspaper vase. Another creative DIY craft tutorial for you. There we go. The newspaper flower vase is ready. How did you like this video, friends? Your comments and suggestions are always awaited. Do remember to subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon for notifications. See you soon. Thank you.